My name is Peter Drake. I'm the Dean of Academic Affairs here at the New York Academy of Art, and it's my pleasure to introduce Roberto Osti tonight. A little bit of background about Roberto. He was born in Bologna, Italy, graduated from the State Institute of Art and from the University of Bologna, where he received a degree in anatomical and surgical drawing in 1982 with honors. For several years, Roberto worked as a freelance illustrator in Italy for publications within the field of science. In 1992, he moved to the United States, where he obtained his MFA from the New York Academy of Art. So he's one of us. Roberto has worked as an illustrator for publications such as Scientific American, Natural History, the New York Times, and Scholastic Books. He has exhibited internationally and in addition to shows in New York, Philadelphia, Newark, and Cincinnati. He's an active lecturer and teacher and has taught at PAFA, the University for the Arts, or of the Arts, Drew University, Bloomfield College, and of course here at the New York Academy of Art. Following the talk, Roberto will be available to sign copies of his book, Basic Human Anatomy, an Essential Visual Guide for Artists. And I want to say on a personal note, I've been the dean here for 7 years, and I've never seen a negative course evaluation for Roberto. That's like some kind of crazy record. So some of the audience are thinking, I don't know about that. But also, Roberto's one of those people that really uses his anatomy in his work, and as a final thought, he's the only human being that I know who's actually done a drawing about werewolf anatomy. So, welcome, Roberto Osti.